Incessant, rain throws life out of gear in Dima Hasao. Incessant rain has thrown the normal life out of gear in Dima Hasao, causing utter inconvenience to the people of places like Haflong, Maibang, Mahur, Harangajao, Umrangsu, etc. At Langting, due to the rain, some places have got waterlogged, resulting to inconvenience to the traffic as well as the pedestrians. People do not dare to come out from their respective houses due to continuous downpour.
पानी पूरा जम गया है, ऑटो से आधा हो जाता ऑटो, किस जगह गाड़ी ले जाएगा गाड़ी.
Hanging bridge at Pampu ghat and many parts of NH54 were washed away in between Langting and Hatikhali. The River Jatinga swelled, crossing the danger level and washed away 3 boulder carrying trucks at Harangajao. The road communication between Harangjao and Silchar was disrupted due to landslides at several locations. Saturday, even being the weekly market at Haflong, people prefer to remain confined in the houses as there is no sign of stopping of rain immediately. Many places at Haflong also submerged and reports of landslides are also coming in. Meanwhile, the District Disaster Management Authority alerted the entire line department to remain ready round the clock. The restoration work near N Lake will also carried out and others being taken care of.